Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Jodia here from Haus of J Collection. So today I'll be showing you how I transform one of my clients' wig. It's a wig that she had for a couple of months that went through a lot of wear and tear, and basically she wanted to revamp her wig, so I did that for her. It was kind of like a reddish tone color, and she basically wanted to get rid of the lace that she had in the front and basically color it one tone black. So I'll be showing most of that. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. Help a new YouTuber out. So let's get into it. I hope you guys learned a lot of tips and tricks from it. It's a really quick video, nothing special, but let's go.
All right, everyone. So this is basically what the wig looks like before I took off the lace front. If you notice, there's a lot of balding happening in the front of the lace. This happens when you are not using a wider teeth comb or you are detangling the hair from the root to the end of the hair. You must make sure that if you're detangling the hair, that you are detangling it from the ends and working your way up to the lace of the hair. If you're not doing this, this will give the hair a lot of, especially the lace front will start to shed, or you will start to see a lot of balding that's happening in your actual lace. So please make sure that you are doing the proper method. Okay, so I took the actual lace off, the lace that was balding. I took that off. I cut it off. So what I'm doing is I'm replacing it with a brand new lace front wig, and the lace that I'm using is a transparent lace. So basically I'm adjusting it to the attaching it. I cannot speak today. I'm attaching it to the actual wig cap, and I'm using pins to really place that lace where it really needs to be. So when I'm finished sewing, everything is symmetrical and everything is where it needs to be, especially for it from ear to ear area. And please make sure that when you are placing the lace back on, or you're replacing the lace or you're sewing the lace, everything is laid down flat. You're not having any bumps. So when the client or yourself, when you're putting it on, it's not bumpy on the top of the actual wig or on the top of your head. This is very important for you to follow. So as you can see, I'm adjusting it the same way I did on the other side, on this side. And please make sure that pins are involved for this. It's really, really helpful when you're starting to sew. So I'm starting the threading process, and I'm using a C-pin and a nylon thread. I love to use nylon thread because it lasts longer. It's a little bit more durable. You can wash your wig as many times. Your thread won't loosen up. And also right now I am creating a knot. It's very, very important to create a knot before you start sewing your lace or creating your wig. This will prevent your actual lace or your actual thread from loosening up or your wig falling apart. This is my experience, and this is what I prefer because the nylon thread is absolutely, absolutely amazing. I've been through other threads and it was not great. So if you are making wigs for clients or for yourself and you want it to last for a very long time, please use nylon thread. So basically, after you create your knot, you want to start sewing. Everyone has different style of sewing their actual wig. For me, I like to wrap around the thread after I pull it out, wrap it around at least 2 times to create like beautiful knots going through and through when I'm sewing. This really helps the lace to really stay intact and not have that bumpy look on top once you have your wig on. So for most of this video, I am going to play music while you watch. This is better for you guys so you can see the process better and not hearing me blah, blah, blah. So here we go. Alright, so this is how the actual wig came out after I sewed the actual lace front onto the hair. The lace actually looks like this because I bleached the knots and everything, so it kind of looks like this, but it's fine. It will look beautiful and nice once it blends in well with my client's skin tone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start the dyeing process. I'm gonna use a permanent dye to make sure everything is one tone and it's full black tone. This is how the hair came out. I did let it air dry and I did blow dry it a little bit after because I was running out of patience with it, but everything came out really beautiful. And I also did a little deep conditioning with it. I had the silicone stay deep conditioner stay on it for at least 30 minutes to really give it some kind of treatment because it really went through a lot of processing with my client dyeing it that color that she had and also me dyeing it back. So you really need to deep condition the hair. Everything looks one tone and everything looks very beautiful. I really, really love Creme of Nature. If you're ever looking for a really good permanent dye, Creme of Nature is the one for you. I am going to go off camera and style the hair and then I'll come back and show you guys the after look.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a little tip and trick here and there from it. And please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a new YouTuber, so help us a shout, you know what I'm saying? So thank you again for watching, and please remember peace, love, and positivity. Until next time, bye.